Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss some exercise of chapter number 13, which is articles. So, let's start. First question is fill a, an, or the in the blanks and complete this conversation. So, Sarah, blank piano teacher will be here shortly. I'm going to learn blank new tune today. So, you will fill here the and you will fill here a. Ria, wonderful. I have you practiced blank one she taught you earlier? So, students, you will fill here the. Sarah, yes, I did. Blank few times, but I don't think I have mastered blank notes yet. Students, you will fill here a and you will fill here the. Ria, I love blank music you play. Let me share blank idea with you. Why don't you come to my school and play blank recital one Saturday? I'm sure blank staff and blank students would be happy to see your talent. So students, you will fill here the, you will fill here an, you will fill here the, you will fill here the, and you will fill here the. Sarah, thank you so much. I would like to play in front of blank audience. My teacher could also be invited. So students, you will fill here the. Ria, let me speak to my school members and know when we could have blank Saturday free for this. So students, you will fill here the. Sarah, great. My teacher is here. Let me get a blank glass of water. So students, you will fill here a. Now moving to the next question. Choose the correct articles. Blank animals in blank zoo were making a loud noise. So, students, the animals in the zoo were making a loud noise. Sumidha bought blank orange t-shirt and two white shirts. So students, you will fill here the. I am blank Indian but my friend is blank Sri Lankan. Students, you will tick on an and you will tick here a. This is blank all the time I get to spend with my pet. So students, you will tick here the. I have to complete blank urgent task. Students, you will tick on an. Blank university has blank large campus. So you will tick on the and you will tick on a. Srinagar is situated blank beautiful valley. You will tick on a. There is blank fruit ball on blank table. You will tick on a. You will tick on the. Now moving to the next page. Blank hour ago, Mohit was at blank airport. So students, you will fill here. You will tick on an, and Mohit was at the airport. Tom was declared blank first runner-up. So students, you will tick on the. Now next question is practice these words phrases in the correct columns. In the first column, you will fill a article, next an article, the article, and last one is omission of article. So in this box, you will write unit, 1 rupee coin, European tour, beautiful butterfly, and lamp. In an article, you will fill igloo, encyclopedia, apricot, open letter, and event. In the article, you will fill Prime Minister, Amazon, Nile, Mumbai, Vindhyas, Mount Kilimanjaro, Europe, and Victoria Memorial. Next, omission of article. So students, you will fill here hope, air, unfortunate. Students, you will not fill Mount Kilimanjaro and Europe. You will fill it on the omission of article. Okay students, keep it remember Mount Kilimanjaro and Europe both come in the omission of article. While writing, while filling in the book, you will correct it. आप लोग बेटा इसे सही कर लेंगे. माउंट किलिमंजारो एंड यूरोप, इन दोनों के आगे द आर्टिकल नहीं यूज़ होता है. आप इन्हें ओमिशन ऑफ आर्टिकल वाले कॉलम में फिल करेंगे. ओके, सो द आर्टिकल में ओनली प्राइम मिनिस्टर, अमेजॉन, नाइल, मुंबई, विंध्यास एंड विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल होगा. और ओमिशन ऑफ आर्टिकल में होप, एयर, अनफॉर्चुनेट, माउंट किलिमंजारो एंड यूरोप, ये सारा ओमिशन ऑफ आर्टिकल में राइट करेंगे. ओके बेटा, आप लोग इसे सही कर लेंगे. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद अ, एन और द. पुट अ क्रॉस इफ द ब्लैंक डजंट नीड एनी आर्टिकल. फर्स्ट, longest mountain range in the world are the Andes. So, the. Have you been to blank Qutub Minar? The. Blank Asia is the world's large continent. So, you will not fill here any article. Okay. My sister works in blank office. She takes blank pack lunch with her every day. So you will fill here the and you will fill here a. Salil ate blank lost night. So he had to take blank walk. So students, you will fill here a and you will fill here a. I want to go out for blank hour. You will fill here an. Too much blank sugar is bad for health. You will not fill any article here. Next is mother bought me blank uniform to wear to school. A uniform. Can you bring blank box of sweets for me? The box. Blank sandwiches had henna. Bought was stale. You will fill here the. Correct the errors in the use of articles and rewrite these sentences. So we should not judge the book by its cover. So you will fill here a. A pilot flew low over the hills. You will cut a and you will write here the. My neighbor purchased an European car recently. So you will cut an and you will write here a. I want to build an purple house with an orange roof. You will cut an and you will write here a. You will cut a and you will write here an. Thus, Australia is the continent in a southern hemisphere. You will cut the and you will write here a and you will cut here a and you will write here the. A Titanic sank on its maiden voyage. You will cut a and you will write here the. Honesty is an best policy. So an honesty is the best policy. There was once the dragon. A dragon was very friendly. So you will cut the and you will write here a dragon and then you will cut a, you will write here the dragon was very friendly. The sugar can cause tooth decay. You will cut the and you will make s in capital letter. A longest river in the city had the canal and a open pond connected to it. So you will cut a and you will write here the. You will cut the and you will write here a. You will cut a and you will write here an. Now last exercise of this chapter. Complete these sentences with a, an or the. Put a cross where an article is not necessary. So let's start. Two sparrows, blank husband and blank wife. So a husband and a wife built blank nest on blank banyan tree. A nest on the banyan tree where blank female sparrow had laid blank eggs. The female sparrow had laid the eggs. One afternoon, blank wild elephant came to blank tree to seek shelter from blank sun. You will fill here a, you will fill here the, and you will fill here the. but unable to bear blank heat, you will fill here the. Blank tusker suddenly went berserk and snapped off blank big branch of blank tree. So you will fill here a, you will fill here a, and you will fill here the. Crushing blank sparrow's eggs in blank nest. You will fill here the, and you fill here the. Blank sparrow escaped blank elephant's fury, but blank wife began cry for her eggs. Students, you will fill here the in capital letter. Escaped an elephant fury, but the wife began crying for her eggs. Now next is blank woodpecker, blank close friend of blank sparrow, heard crying and asked her. You will fill here a, you fill here a, and you will fill here the, and asked her, why are you crying, my friend? The wise man, you will fill here the wise man, don't grieve for what is lost or what is the past. You will fill here the. That is blank difference between blank learned person and blank unwise one. You fill here the, you will fill here a, and you will fill here an. So friends, that's it for today. You will fill these exercise in your book. You will write all these exercise in your HW copy. So thank you everyone.